Gavana ma Mandera Mohamed Alif onyiso luoro mare kaluwore gi oro maduong' mosechako nyenyore e kauntino. Koloso bang' romo mar buch jotend migepe ma kauntino, Alif nowacho ni luoro nitie ni thoth jodak ma kono dhi kale ngima matek nikech nok mar chiemo kod bende koso gik mochuno e ngima dhano.
The scale of this crisis demands resources beyond what the county alone can provide. The Water Department needs Kenya shillings 1.07 billion for emergency water interventions between December 2025 to March 2026, while the overall multi-sectoral response requires Kenya shillings 4.7 billion the 4 months under review. I therefore make a special appeal to national government, development partners, humanitarian agencies, NGOs, the private sector, and the local leaders to increase their support for water, food, health, nutrition, education, and livelihood interventions during this emergency period.